Okay, today we're going to talk about integrals which involve partial fractions. Usually they'll happen when the denominator is a polynomial which can be factored, such as x squared minus 4 factors into x plus 2 times x minus 2. I usually multiply both sides by x plus 2 times x minus 2. On the left, they both cancel, leaving me just the numerator of 1. On the right, here the x plus 2's cancel, leaves me with a times x minus 2. Plus, on the third one, the x minus 2's will cancel, leaving me with b times whatever does not cancel, in this case, x plus 2. Now what I'll do is I'll usually leave a space and write this down twice because I know I need to use it twice. Once to solve for a and once to solve for b. Now, you can multiply both sides of an equation by anything you like as long as it's not 0. So you have to look for what makes each of these values 0. What makes x minus 2 0 is when x equals 2. If I substitute x equals 2 into here and to here, let's see what we end up with. I have 1 equals 2 minus 2 is going to be a 0, and 2 plus 2 is 4, so that makes b times 4, or 4b. So you end up dividing by 4, you end up with 1/4 equaling b. What makes the first factor 0 is when x equals -2. So I'm going to substitute -2 in for both of these x's. So that'll give me 1 equals -2 minus 2 is -4 times a. And if you put a -2 into the second one, -2 plus 2 is 0 times b, which is 0. If I divide by -4, I'll have -1/4 equaling a. So what that does is it enables me to rewrite my original integral. I usually start with a positive because b is positive. I'll put the b is over the x minus 2. So I have a 1/4 over x minus 2 plus a. In this case, I have a over x plus 2, and a is a negative. So I have a -1/4 over x plus 2. Now I can factor a 1/4 out of both of these integrals, and that gives me 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x plus 2. These both fit into a formula, du over u. If the derivative of the bottom is the top, it's going to be the natural log of the bottom. Minus, here again, the derivative of the bottom is the top, so the integral is going to be the natural log of the bottom. Now we have to apply some logarithm properties here. So when you have log a minus log b, there's a property that allows you to do log of a over log b. If this was a plus, you would have been multiplying those. And that's your answer. Perhaps they might put the 1/4 up as an exponent, in which case you'd have the 4th root of x minus 2 over x plus 2 plus c again, because this is an indefinite integral. And that should be your answer. I hope this helps with partial fractions. Good luck.